Hello everyone, this is Aditya and you're watching this one. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's topic, जैसा आप लोग टाइटल पढ़ लिए नीचे और आप थंबनेल देख लिए, we're gonna talk about second-hand super bikes and what do you actually have to see, check and verify when you actually buy second-hand super bikes. So देखो, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस कुछ और था when I bought both of my second-hand super bikes. Yeah, both my bikes were second-hand, the Z900 and the Bentley 600i. Also, I bought an RC390 second-hand, so that doesn't come under a super bike category. But then yeah, it comes under sub 400, sub 600 category, so that's also like a big bike according to me because it has a lot of power. So in this video we're gonna have a discussion with Ritesh bhai, who had experiences with like Triumph Street Triple. He also has a Hayabusa and all that, so this guy is very experienced when it comes to super bikes. Okay, he's older than me, he's seen the world better than me. In this video you're gonna get the perfect raw reality truth about if you want to buy a second-hand super bike and what actually goes behind the curtain. So before my experience, let's talk to Ritesh bhai, and before everything let's do a sigma and let's call the intros. Focus, right?
Punjab registered, Delhi registered or Haryana registered. I would recommend only 3 to 4 on a straight or right? Straight. 3 to 4 vendors, okay, they are dealers. Okay. One would be NS1 Delhi, the other one would be Cruises Planet, okay, and the third one would be Goldie Bhai
fans.
They are kind of more transparent in terms of selling. It's not that they show you upfront, they show you Aishwarya Rai. उसको क्या क्या रहता सब वो एग्जॉस्ट ये एग्जॉस्ट है ना एवरीथिंग फुल एग्जॉस्ट रहता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक सब नल्ला पाइप कार्बन फाइबर का वो हाइड्रो डिपिंग करा दे के वैसा नहीं बेचते. वॉट एवर इट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट. ओके, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एज आई वाज सेइंग लाइक आगे आपको ऐश्वर्या राय दिखा देते when you pay up this concept is there. Okay, we'll discuss over the bench, like we'll have a discussion over the bench. We'll discuss. Before discussing, they'll ask you to pay an upfront money. It could be ranging between starting from एक पहले 1 लाख भर दो, उसके बाद भर देंगे, उसके बाद बात करेंगे.
Token amount is 1 lakh.
हाँ,
1 lakh.
Yeah, kind of. I'm trying to give you a rough example.
Okay. But they actually take something.
I'll tell you what happens.
Okay.
I'm not talking about. I'm not focusing about the premium, the 3 premium brands which I said.
Generally, what happens apart from these 3 brands? How do they actually treat you and all that? Because भाई गाड़ी लेने से पहले सब चीज़ ना रहते हुए ऐसा नहीं आपके जेब में पैसे चलो आज ताकि ले लेंगे, ऐसा नहीं रहता. इट जुड़ी वेश गान जुड़ू. तो डेली ऑब्जर्वेशन तो अपने डेली लाइफ है भैया हैदराबाद. So that's the thing with Ritesh bhai telling कि पैसे वैसे का शॉर्ट नहीं, but there are more intricate details that actually people don't know. So చెప్పు.
उसके बाद क्या होता है, 1 लाख रुपए अपन अपफ्रंट दे दिए. ఇచ్చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, సపోజ్ దట్ ఐశ్వర్య రాయ్ కు దిఖా దిए, then during the delivery you don't get Aishwarya Rai, you get a makeup, somebody with makeup डाल दे के वो एग्जॉस्ट होने देते. फिर बोलते कि हम लोग it was a condition that it will come without the exhaust. I'll take the exhaust. And if you check the head, if you are buying like untrusted partner or untrusted vendor, make sure you are checking the cylinder heads and pistons. There were cases where R1 had 3 of the pistons were R1 and the 4th one was some other Honda made or something. And they were most of the times I see Busa 4 lakh में मिल रहा, Busa 5 लाख में मिल रहा, ले लेते 100-200 के स्पीड में भगाते, इंजन सीज हो जाता, उसके बाद क्या हुआ अंते. So what I would recommend is like I'm not a pro by the way, this is what based on my observation and based on my experience I would say that go to these well reputed vendors. It could be Saraswati Motors or Goldie Bhaiya, or premium ले लिया तो NS1 Delhi or Cruises Planet. Okay, there is price में if they are charging you high and you have the full liberty to check the entire vehicle starting from service history. You can pick up the bike, वो लोग का बंदा एक आपके साथ में आएगा, they'll take you to the service station and you can do your individual inspection. They would recommend that. After that okay, your actual deal would start. Okay, ये लोग के प्रीमियम ब्रांड्स में इट इज क्वाइट ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड बोलते कि इतना है, इतना ही मिलेगा, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज, एंड फाइनेंस ऑप्शंस ये है. दैट इज वन केस. अनदर केस इज लाइक ये टेबल पे हाथ रख के बात करेंगे, पहले 1 लाख रुपए लगाओ.
टेबल पे हाथ रख के
ये टेबल कैश का मुच्चटा रहता है. पहले 1 लाख रुपए लगा दिए, दुल्हन को दिखा दिए, दुल्हन पसंद आ गई. उसके बाद ड्यूरिंग ये डिलीवरी टाइम ये निकाल देते, वो निकाल देते, ये नहीं देते, वो नहीं देते बोलते. फिर नहीं मेरे को पसंद नहीं आया जब बोल तो आई पेड 1 लाख राइट, इन रिटर्न यू विल गेट 60,000.
ఇదేంది మళ్ళా ఇదేం స్కామ్ అన్న
ఇది స్కామ్ అన్నారు. ఇన్ దేర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ దే వుడ్ సే దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ లైక్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద బిజినెస్, దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ద బిజినెస్ రన్స్, బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్వెస్టెడ్ సమ్ టైమ్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ షోయింగ్ యూ ద వెహికల్.
40,000
that just shortest example I would say. So आड़िक పోయినాక गए तो गए, पूरे 1 लाख तो नहीं मिलते बाबा तुम्हारे को वापस.
అన్న ఒక బండి జూడ్నికి 40,000 ఇవ్వాలా, అది కూడా మనకు వద్దు కూడా.
That's why before buying something make sure
ensure pediasure. టాకింగ్ టు రితేష్ బై ఫస్ట్. అన్న ఇది చూసినా ఇక్కడ బండి S1000 ఉందన్న, బాగుందా లేదా, 2018 అన్న, ఆగ్రాపోవిట్స్ ఎగ్జాస్ట్ అన్న, తీసుకోవాలా అన్న, హెడర్ ఆల్ ఫర్ హెడర్స్ S1000 అన్న, బూసా గిస్తా అట్లా స్కామ్ లేదు. సో ये होता है. I mean I also want to buy a bike and see buying a super bike can be a dream of a lot of people and सबको एक रहता मतलब अंदर से ख्वाहिश की भाई एक सुपर बाइक हो. Now coming from Benelli 600i Z900 मतलब हाँ, S1000 is a dream that I follow and S1000 is something that really makes me happy and that is what I am focused towards that. अभी मतलब सबको अलग रहता है, सबको कार लेना है, बड़ा घर लेना है, शादी करना है. Everyone's dream, goal and target is different, but then how do you achieve that actually matters. And not you say money can buy everything, but money cannot buy everything good. मतलब हर अच्छी चीज़ पैसे से भी नहीं आती भाई. थोड़ी चीज़ों के लिए आपको देखना पड़ता है. देयर शुड बी स्क्रूटिनी एंड देयर शुड बी. अब क्या चल रहा है ऑफ रोड ट्रेंड.
S1000 के हिसाब से तेरे को पुट्टी भी चाहिए उस तरीका का.
అన్నా నువ్వు ఆపనా, బస్ కరో భయ్యా.
అన్న బండి వచ్చి గల్లీలో ఏది మన హిమాయత్నగర్ గల్లీలో రెవ్ లిమిటర్ అన్నాడంటే వచ్చి
అన్నా ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్నా సి అన్నా ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యావ్ గర్ల్స్, ఐ హ్యావ్ గర్ల్స్. చూసినా డైలాగ్ చూసినా క్యాప్షన్ కొట్టేసాడు రితేష్ భాయ్. కొత్త ఫోటో క్యాప్షన్ వచ్చేసాను అన్నకి, ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యాస్ గర్ల్స్, వీ హ్యావ్ గర్ల్స్ అని. అయితే సో దాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్ బ్రో. లైక్ బయింగ్ అ బైక్ ఇస్ థర్డరీ ఫోర్డరీ. Primary is knowing what you want to buy, where you want to buy from, and actually do you buy it and actually are you satisfied with something. मतलब इन्हों लिया बोल के नहीं लेना, उन्हों लिया बोल के नहीं लेना, because सबके wants, needs, desires अलग अलग रहते हैं. Now I have a purpose of buying that bike, someone else would have other purposes. So देखो आप कहाँ से ले रहे, कितने में ले रहे, क्यों ले रहे, and
last thing सब अच्छा है. Okay, गाड़ी ठीक है, एग्जॉस्ट भी ठीक है, प्राइस भी ठीक है, but make sure papers are clean
papers are important. ये ग्रे ग्रू का काम नहीं करना भाई. पेपर आनी है, 2 लाख रुपए कम कर देता हूँ, छोड़ दो ना भाई, लाइट ले लो, मेरा RTO में बंदा है, उन्हें ट्रांसफर कर देता. ब्रो people talk bro, before the money they talk, after the money they don't even pick up calls. There are incidences like that. So trust runs the world. Ritesh bhai drives Creta. అయితే so yeah, so that's about it, and I hope you guys got like a deeper insight about what it is and how the market runs, and this thing actually hits you like kaun sa kahan se na kya hai, because this is very insightful and nobody actually tells you this. So thank you Ritesh Anna for telling us this. Thank you so much Anna. Ritesh Anna अपन जब ऐसा ले तो एक राइड तो रितेश अन्ना को पक्का देंगे अपन. हाँ रितेश अन्ना क्या राइड पक्का इन्हों ऑलरेडी प्री बुकिंग कर लिया. मैं रेव लिमिटर इन्हों गाड़ी चलाते नहीं बोल रहे, खाली एक जगह ठहरा के गिर करना है खाली इनको गलियों में जाके. So that's about it, and I'll see you when we actually get there. चलो बाय.
Alright, so that was Ritesh Bhai's experience when he went to Delhi, when he went to multiple vendors, that is NS1, Saraswati Motor, Goldie Bhai and all that, and he had like an experience कि भाई वो लोग दिखाते कुछ और देते कुछ और, and that doesn't happen in Delhi, that happens all around India and all around the world per se. मैं ऐसा पिन पॉइंट नहीं कर रहा कि भाई हैदराबाद में ऐसे होता, स्कैमा होते, कोलकाता में होते, बैंगलोर में होते, केरला में, तो नो, इट्स लाइक अ होल नेटवर्क ऑफ सेकंड हैंड सुपर बाइक्स. एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि हैदराबाद में ये कम्युनिटी बहुत छोटी है ब्रो. लाइक डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ स्मॉल दिस इज? और ये स्मॉल कम्युनिटी में भी इतने लाइक दंगे फसाद है ब्रो. आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट टॉपिक बिकॉज उसके लिए एक पूरा अलग वीडियो ही बना सकते हैं अपन. सो या, लाइक इन हैदराबाद ऑल्सो देयर आर पीपल हु एक्चुअली सेल यू सेकंड हैंड सुपर बाइक्स एंड दे एक्चुअली डू स्क्रूटनी, पेपर चेक करके एंड ऑल दैट. सो दे गिव यू लाइक अ प्रॉपर पिक्चर, बट देन नॉट एवरीवन इज एज स्वीट एज ही सीम्स. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे it all comes down to money, man. Like पैसे तक ही रखते हैं, like, and there are some people that carry on money and that after sales relation, but सबसे आप ये expect नहीं कर सकते anywhere in the world, not only like pinpointing and nitpicking. So I'll tell you my experiences quickly. You cannot just go and ask your friend who has like a Busa or an S1000 कि भाई आप मेरे को गाड़ी एक हफ्ते के लिए दे दो, मैं आपको चला के दे दूँ. It doesn't work like that. I have many friends that have S1000s, many close friends that have S1000s, लेकिन मैं उनसे गाड़ी मेरे घर पे लेकर नहीं आता. बस like 2-3 minutes के रील्स ले लेता, फोटो शूट and all that. I don't do that because I live with this one rule, bro. It's your bike. Keep it as your bike. I don't want it because कल के दिन अगर मैं H2 ले लिया तो I'll become that selfish person और मैं खुद देने वाला नहीं हूँ भाई, because that's how I respect my possessions and that's how you should respect yours. अब जो लोग जाके दूसरों की गाड़ियाँ उठाते चलाते करते ना, I have nothing against them, but I don't work like that. मतलब if given the opportunity to even ride an H2 bro, I'll just decline it because हाँ, थोड़ी देर चला के शौक लेना अलग है और शौकाई लेते जाना अलग है. So you should know what your limits are and where you have to stop. Directly contacted the owner itself. So when you contact the owner ना, picture is more transparent, it's more clearer. So I contacted the owner. अब वो गाड़ी के साथ थोड़ी गिचियाँ थे. That was an accidental vehicle. उसका oil sump टूट गया था because the owner went through an accident and something happened. So then गाड़ी का insurance claim हो के आया था. But apart from that, the bike was perfect. उसके अंदर चाइना का exhaust था. I was like okay, exhaust छोड़ो, मैं कैसे भी थोड़ी देर, because थोड़े टाइम exhaust पे चला के वापस मैं stock पे ही ला लिया था गाड़ी को, because the symphony of stock exhaust and the economy भाई, like coming from middle class family, economy do really matters. अब बोलते भाई middle class से S1000 लेता, हाँ भाई मिडिल क्लास वाला S1000 लेता बिकॉज द इकोनॉमी ऑन द होल रन्स विद मिडिल क्लास पीपल. ये रईस लोगों का पैसे खर्चा नहीं करते, गरीब लोगों का रहते नहीं. सो वी टेक EMIs, वी टेक लोन्स, वी डू ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो द कंट्री रन्स विद मिडिल क्लास पीपल. गेट दिस इन योर हेड. द रिच पीपल डोंट रन द कंट्री ब्रो. सो ये हुआ. सो दैट बाइक वॉज परफेक्ट. उसको 1-1.5 साल तक चला मैं. आई चेंज टायर्स ऑन दैट बाइक. आई चेंज टायर्स ऑन दैट बाइक. BMC का एयर फिल्टर डाला प्रॉपर, 2 बार सर्विसिंग करा उसमें, थोड़े से मॉड्स करा. बट दैट बाइक वॉज प्रिस्टीन मैन. दैट वॉज द बेस्ट बाइक आई एवर ओन्ड. एंड Z900 वॉज more of a feeling to me than like a super bike, and I actually got connected with that bike. Then something happened in my personal and professional life and I had to move on, so I let that bike go for like a better bike that's going to come in the future. And you know what the future holds for us. Let me tell you, ये पैसा या तो आप कमाए सो 4-5 साल की कमाई है या आपके पेरेंट्स कमाए सो है. सो डोंट लेट गो टू वेस्ट बिकॉज दिल दुखता ब्रो व्हेन यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद व्हाट यू बाय. एंड आप लोगों को झूठ बोलते हैं, नो मैं खुश हूँ भाई, मेरी गाड़ी परफेक्ट है भाई, गाड़ी एक्सीडेंटल नहीं है भाई, ये है. बिकॉज आप दूसरों को कितना भी दिलासे दे दो, आप अपने आप से जब झूठ बोलते हैं ना, यू आर किलिंग योर ओन कॉन्शियस मैन. सो दिस इज आदित्य, यू वाचिंग दिस वर्ल्ड. आई होप यू गाइस एक्चुअली अंडरस्टूड व्हाट दिस होल वीडियो अबाउट. एंड सुपर बाइक लेने से पहले, सुपर बाइक छोड़ो, कुछ भी चीज़ लेने से पहले आपकी एक मेंटालिटी चेंज हो गई. सो कोई भी चीज़ देख समझ के करो, 1 से 2 बार समझो वो बात को. एंड please understand the whole thing and don't think in perspectives, think in retrospective. That's what I talk about. So this is Ditya, you watching Deets World, and thank you so much for 6,000 subscribers. अब giveaway का क्या shot है, क्या scene है, मैं बहुत जल्द बोलने वाला हूँ. And I hope you guys have a good day, and I also hope you guys have a happy Rakhi or protect your sisters and have some fun about it. So this is Ditya, you watching Deets World. I'll catch you in the next one. And then while drop F-bombs, then you got ref bombs. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one. And then Sigma. Sigma.
We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it to the beat.